Welcome back again to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. And guys, today we are going to see Jamaica in Kenya. But before then, I want to thank those that have subscribed to our channel, the returning subscribers, the new subscribers. We salute you, we appreciate you, we pray for you every day, that may the Lord bless you, may the Lord enlarge you, may the Lord protect you, may the Lord shield you together with your family. Guys, today we are in Paradise Lost Mau Stone Age Caves. These are the caves, guys, where the Mau freedom fighters. Mau was a group of people that combined together from Kikuyu community in central Kenya to fight for freedom. The first president of Kenya, Jomo Kenyatta, was from Kikuyu community, and therefore people grouped together men and they formed a group whereby they used to fight colonial masters. And because the colonial masters had sophisticated weapons, the people used to hide in the caves because they had pangas and they had what else? Arrows. That is what they used to fight with. So today, I'm going to show you one of the caves where these people used to hide from the colonial masters. And adjacent to me is the Dan waterfalls in Kenya, but we have transported the Dan waterfalls, we have brought it in Kenya. So guys, we had to implement a waterfall. But our waterfall is not as big as the waterfalls in Jamaica, but we said we want to enjoy the environment of a waterfall. You can see clearly, guys, I cannot be able to stand there so that water can pour on me like Sean Arrow was doing and Dee Mwango and all the people we have seen, because there is no place to stand there because the water is coming down with a lot of force. The stones there, we cannot stand, and therefore you just see the waterfall in Kiambu County in Kenya. Kiambu County is one of the 47 counties in the Republic of Kenya, and therefore we have come to show you the beauty of Kiambu County, guys. Can you see the trees? These are the roots of trees. Imagine, guys, this is a root. This one is a root of a tree. You can see they are indigenous trees. They are indigenous trees here. Actually, some of these trees were used as medicinal, the roots and the leaves. You can also see the roots here. So many roots. And this is a very, very huge tree. It goes upwards. And I want us to enter the cave where the Mau people used to hide from the colonial masters. Guys, this place is slippery, and therefore I have to walk slowly so that I do not fall. I'm putting my phone here so that we can take the sound to avoid the sound of the waterfalls. So we are in these caves now, inside them. This is where our heroes, Mau heroes, Jomo Kenyatta and the people who fought for freedom, this is where they used to hide for colonial masters, and the women used to bring them food in these caves. Can you see, guys, how our people struggled to make sure that we are liberated from the colonial masters? You can see the caves extend even to this side. Actually, it goes up to this side, guys. The waterfalls are epic. You can see there. Maybe you can show them. There is a cave, a very dark cave there. Actually, it is a cave which goes extended that way, and you can see it. Those are the places our heroes used to hide so that they are not seen by the colonial masters as they were fighting for our liberation, as they were fighting for our freedom, guys. You can see how people sacrificed, just like Nani in Jamaica, the way she used to be courageous and fight the colonial people and actually stand firm. This is we are liberated from the colonial masters. Can you see the waterfall now, guys? The water is coming with a lot of force, and I have told you I cannot climb there so that we can experience the force of that water. It is epic. It is epic, and therefore you can see the fall. So beautiful, mesmerizing, and epic. We are in the Dan River in Jamaica, guys. We are enjoying, just like you people enjoy being in the waterfalls. But unfortunately, our waterfall is just full, but we are having fun, guys. We are having fun. Can you see the beauty of Kenya? It is as green as Jamaica with so many indigenous trees. You can see the trees all over around us. So beautiful, so epic, guys. So we are going to take you around this place. It is called the Paradise Roast. It is a place whereby people come to have fun and to do what? In their free time, to have fun, to enjoy. And because today's video is about time to have fun, and we are going to look at some of the ways the Jamaican people have fun in their country. And one of the ways they have fun is by going to the waterfalls, like we have gone to this waterfall, walking along the forest to experience the nature and the pure climate. So that is what we are going to do today. Guys, can you see the roof of the cave? Just like the cave where Dee Mwango had gone in Cayman Island, and even in Jamaica, we could see something like this. And also, to approach the caves, actually the caves, they had to go through the stairs, and we have actually come through the stairs to arrive at these caves. Guys, I've never been here, and it is so near where I stay. Imagine the influence Jamaica has on us. We have even started appreciating the good things that are near us. I've never thought of coming here, but the Jamaican people have taught us the tingo to enjoy ourselves where we are arrived. So I've decided to come and show you this place so that you can see there are wonderful people here, there are wonderful places here in Kenya. People can have fun. So guys, I'll disconnect the phone, and then you'll join me later in this video. Guys, welcome back. Today we have taken you for an outing to see some of the activities we do during the free time. And some of those activities, they are actually done in Jamaica, and that is why I decided to take you there so that you can see even here in Kenya, we can actually enjoy some of those activities, but they are limited because you saw the waterfall that was there was actually smaller than the waterfalls in Jamaica. You could also see the indigenous trees, just like we find in Jamaican forests. And yeah, that is what we wanted you to see. And we had a good time enjoying the nature. Actually, that is one of the activities done in Jamaica. People in Jamaica have several leisure time activities, like dancing and music. We have seen it all over Jamaica, even along the road. People like to dance, people like to sing to music. They love, that is in their nature. And also people like going to the beach, to hike in the mountains. They enjoy the activities of the beach, like diving, water sports like diving, volleyball, water, and other activities that are done in the beach. So we just wanted to take you around and see the beautiful country of Kenya in some of these places. But guys, now I go to the other second part of this video, which I was actually sitting down and I asked myself, there are so many travel advisories against Jamaica. People are warned not to go to Jamaica. They are told how dangerous Jamaica is. If you Google, there is a lot of things that are being told about Jamaica, that people are killed, there is a lot of raping, there is a lot of information that is given. But despite all these informations, people flock in Jamaica in large numbers. Why?
I was asking myself that question. Why do people ignore these travel advisories? I think people have realized that Jamaica is not as bad as the media exaggerates and the media tells us. And that is why there is a lot of flow of tourists in Jamaica. Actually, it is one of the biggest tourist attraction sites, or rather tourist attraction destinations in the world. And I was seeing that like last year, 2023, the number of tourists that arrived in Jamaica were 4.1 million tourists. They landed in Jamaica. And I wanted us to look at why this large number, and yet there are so many travel advisories. People are advised not to go to Jamaica. One, because people actually know. We have come to see that Jamaica is not as dangerous as we are told. Number two, people cannot resist the Jamaican people, the Jamaican beaches, the Jamaican waterfalls, the Jamaican mountain. In other words, I'm trying to say, Jamaica has some tourist destinations that are unique in the whole lot of the world. Let us start with the beaches, with the white sand and the blue water and the epic clear water that you can even see the stones that are under the sea. People cannot resist to go to these beaches because they are awesome, they are beautiful. They are wonderful beaches in Jamaica, and it's not just one. There are so many beautiful beaches in Jamaica, and therefore, even if there are these travel advisory, people cannot resist not to go and see these beautiful beaches in Jamaica. Number two, why people cannot even resist, irrespective of their travel advisories. There is nowhere in the world you can find the brew coffee. It is a unique type of coffee that is not found anywhere in the world. And therefore, tourists want these unique things that are only found in Jamaica. Not forgetting the Blue Mountains, where this coffee comes from. The Blue Mountains are unique mountains that cannot be seen anywhere in the world. And the bamboo forests in Jamaica. People cannot resist the beauty of these mountains and the beauty of the forests that are found in Jamaica. They are unique than any other forest or mountains found in the world. What about the beautiful waterfalls and the many activities that are done in those waterfalls, the many activities that are done in the beaches? People cannot be able to resist the beauty of Jamaica, the activities that you can enjoy as a tourist in Jamaica. By the way, do you know, there are some countries you go and find that there are not so many activities you can enjoy. Jamaica, you can go to the waterfalls, you can go to the beaches, you can go and have a ride, or rather a walk in the forests, you can hike in the mountains. There are so many activities that you can do in Jamaica. Not forgetting the epic, the food of Jamaican people. Actually, we have seen it has been recorded as the second best food in the whole world. Ackee and saltfish. And there are so many varieties of food in Jamaica. Not forgetting the many different types of fruits in Jamaica. You know, if you go to a country and you cannot even cope with the type of food they eat, and not even that, there are no fruits to enjoy, you will not feel like going to that country. And therefore, the Jamaican special food flavored with the spices, people cannot resist that food. By the way, food can really pull people from where they are to their are. Like already what we have heard about Jamaica, I really miss the food we see being cooked in Jamaica. irrespective of the fact that I've never visited Jamaica. I miss even the beaches I see, the Montenegro beach, the many beaches that we have seen in Jamaica, the many caves, the many waterfalls, the forests that we see, the different types of activities that you can do, even the riding of the boats, the diving, the waterfalls activities in the water. There are so many activities that you can do that you can never ever get bored when you are in Jamaica. What about the epic people of Jamaica? The wonderful people of Jamaica. When you meet them, it is all smells, and they are so social, they are so warm, welcoming, they welcome people so warmly, and people feel at home. And that is why so many tourists want to go to Jamaica. What about the roads? Epic roads. Roads that are so nice. You cannot find somewhere in Jamaica where the roads are maybe not repaired, potholes. The many places I've seen people going, they are wonderful roads, even in the countryside. Guys, the reasons why the tourists flock in Jamaica are limitless. What about the museum? The Bob Marley Museum, and see the origin of reggae music, the Rastafarian movement, unique things that you cannot find anywhere in the world, the unique flag of Jamaica, the unique everything. In fact, all through the Kingston and even the Ochorio and all the towns we have got, they are so artistic that you'd want to see the artistic nature of the Jamaican people. The gallery, the markets are full of foodstuffs, fresh foodstuffs, natural foodstuffs, and therefore tourists flock in Jamaica because of these unique things that are so special to people in the world. Most of the Jamaican food, actually meat, is white meat. Most people don't like red meat. And Jamaica mostly, there is white meat, fish, a lot of fish actually, and therefore people want to enjoy this. The plantain, the bananas, limitless reasons why tourists flock in Jamaica, irrespective of the travel adversaries we have had all over social media. And we are seeing, by the way, Jamaica is a safe place to be. We have proved it all in our videos, in other people's videos. We have seen that Jamaica is a good, wonderful place to go. And sometimes even we rob the day we are going to step our foot on this wonderful land. It is so beautiful. It is so epic. People cannot resist. And we have forgotten even the heroes. The many statues of the different heroes of Jamaica. Marcus Garvey, Nani, is it Nani? Yeah. All those people that were heroes in Jamaica, portrayed everywhere. Not forgetting this building, I think it was in Montenegro Bay, where these people used to be executed. There are so many places, unique places that you can go in Jamaica. They are countless. And therefore, tourists keep on flocking in Jamaica because of the beauty of Jamaica, the people of Jamaica, the activities done in Jamaica, and so many reasons. Limitless reasons. And we are also going to go to this land that we all have. One day, God is making a way, and we will come there and experience the beauty of Jamaica, the food of Jamaica, the great culture of the Jamaican people, and the many activities one can do in Jamaica. I cannot wait. It is so wonderful, it is so beautiful, it is so epic. Breathtaking. That is the word. Guys, we have known so much about Jamaica that I cannot even be able to say everything. So I'm going to stop the video at this juncture, and I pray that God blesses you. See you during next time, and please subscribe. It's free of charge. Share the video, like and comment. We appreciate you so much, and God bless.